Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Nutritious Health News. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone looking to maintain a healthy, low-carb diet: 5 low-carb vegetables. If you're eager to discover some mouth-watering, guilt-free options, you're in the right place. But before we get into that, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty, nutritious content. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store. Now, I know what you're thinking. Vegetables? Low carb? Can those two words even go together? Absolutely. By the end of this video, you'll not only be convinced but excited to try these flavorful veggies in your next meal. Whether you're on a ketogenic diet, watching your carb intake, or simply trying to incorporate more veggies into your diet, these low-carb options will become your new favorites. So, stay tuned because we're about to unveil our top picks. Alright, folks, let's jump right into it. Here are 5 low-carb vegetables that are not only nutritious but also incredibly delicious. Low-carb vegetable number 1. Number 1 on our list is spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is loaded with vitamins and minerals, and it's so versatile. You can sauté it, throw it into salads, or even blend it into smoothies. Plus, it's incredibly low in carbs, making it a perfect choice for your low-carb journey. 1. Low in carbohydrates. Spinach is remarkably low in carbohydrates, making it a great option for individuals on low-carb diets like ketogenic or Atkins. A 100-gram serving of raw spinach contains only about 3.6 grams of carbohydrates, with a significant portion of these carbs coming from fiber. 2. Rich in fiber. Spinach is high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, and promotes a feeling of fullness. The fiber content in spinach can help offset the small amount of carbohydrates it contains. 3. High in essential nutrients. Despite its low carb content, spinach is packed with essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, folic acid, iron, calcium, and potassium. These nutrients are vital for overall health and well-being. 4. Antioxidant properties. Spinach contains various antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration. 5. Low in calories. Spinach is incredibly low in calories, making it an ideal choice for weight management. It allows you to consume a substantial volume of food without significantly increasing your calorie intake. 6. Versatile culinary uses. Spinach can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes. You can enjoy it in salads, sautéed as a side dish, blended into smoothies, added to omelets, or used as a base for various recipes like spinach and feta stuffed chicken breasts or spinach and mushroom quiches. 7. Improved blood sugar control. The fiber and antioxidants in spinach can help improve blood sugar control, making it a valuable addition to the diets of individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. 8. Heart health benefits. The nutrients in spinach, particularly potassium and magnesium, contribute to heart health by helping regulate blood pressure. Additionally, the antioxidants in spinach may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Low-carb vegetable number 2. Moving on to number 2, broccoli. Not only is broccoli packed with fiber, but it's also a fantastic source of vitamins and antioxidants. And guess what? It's super low in carbs. Roasted, steamed, or tossed in a stir-fry, broccoli is a must-have in your low-carb kitchen. Broccoli, the low-carb powerhouse. 1. Low in carbohydrates. Broccoli is a low-carb superstar. A 100-gram serving of broccoli contains just over 6 grams of carbohydrates, with a substantial portion of this being dietary fiber. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals looking to reduce their carb intake. 2. Rich in fiber, broccoli is loaded with dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fiber not only aids in regular bowel movements but also helps you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to manage your appetite. 3. Packed with nutrients, despite its low-carb content, broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse. It's a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, potassium, and iron. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining overall health. 4. Antioxidant properties. Broccoli contains potent antioxidants such as sulforaphane, which may help protect against chronic diseases and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants are known to support a strong immune system and combat inflammation. 5. Cancer-fighting potential. Research suggests that compounds in broccoli, like sulforaphane, may have cancer-fighting properties. They can help detoxify the body, reduce the risk of certain cancers, and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. 6. Weight management. Broccoli is incredibly low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight. It provides volume and nutrients without significantly contributing to calorie intake. 7. Versatile culinary uses. Broccoli's versatility in the kitchen is a significant advantage. You can enjoy it steamed, roasted, sautéed, or even raw in salads. It pairs well with a variety of flavors and ingredients, making it a versatile addition to your meals. 8. Bone health. The high vitamin K content in broccoli is essential for bone health. It helps in bone mineralization and may reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 9. Heart health. Broccoli's fiber, along with compounds like glucoraphanin, may support heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Low-carb vegetable number 3. Now, let's talk about cauliflower, our number 3 pick. Cauliflower can be magically transformed into so many low-carb alternatives, like cauliflower rice or cauliflower pizza crust. It's a game-changer for anyone watching their carb intake. Cauliflower, the low-carb chameleon. 1. Low in carbohydrates. Cauliflower is renowned for its low carbohydrate content, making it a staple for those on low-carb or keto diets. A 100-gram serving contains only about 2 to 3 grams of carbohydrates, with a significant portion being fiber. 2. Versatile and adaptable. Cauliflower is a culinary chameleon. It can be transformed into various low-carb alternatives, such as cauliflower rice, cauliflower mashed potatoes, and even cauliflower pizza crust. This adaptability allows you to enjoy your favorite dishes with a lower carb count. 3. Rich in fiber. Despite its low carb count, cauliflower is rich in dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Fiber also promotes a feeling of fullness, making it easier to control your appetite. 4. High in nutrients. Cauliflower is not just about low carbs, it's also packed with essential nutrients. It's a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, folate, and various minerals like potassium and manganese. 5. Antioxidant properties. Cauliflower contains antioxidants like glucosinolates, which have been linked to potential cancer-fighting properties. These compounds may help protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of certain cancers. 6. Supports weight management. Cauliflower is incredibly low in calories, which is great for weight management. It allows you to enjoy substantial servings without significantly impacting your daily calorie intake. 7. Heart health benefits. The fiber and antioxidants in cauliflower can contribute to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 8. Bone health. Cauliflower contains vitamin K, which is essential for bone health as it plays a role in bone mineralization and strength. This is crucial for maintaining healthy bones. 9. Aids detoxification. Certain compounds in cauliflower, like sulforaphane, have been shown to support the body's natural detoxification processes, potentially helping to remove harmful substances from the body. Low-carb vegetable number 4. Number 4 on our list is zucchini. This versatile veggie is not only low in carbs but also high in water content, which keeps you hydrated. You can spiralize it into zoodles, grill it, or stuff it with delicious fillings. Zucchini is your low-carb secret weapon. Zucchini, the low-carb wonder vegetable. 1. Ultra-low in carbohydrates. Zucchini is exceptionally low in carbohydrates, making it a top choice for anyone following a low-carb or keto diet. A 100-gram serving contains just about 3.1 grams of carbohydrates, with a significant portion being dietary fiber. 2. Rich in fiber. Despite its low carb count, zucchini is loaded with dietary fiber. Fiber is crucial for digestion, promoting a feeling of fullness and helping maintain steady blood sugar levels. 3. Low in calories. Zucchini is incredibly low in calories, which is perfect for those focused on weight management. It allows you to enjoy a satisfying portion without worrying about excessive calorie intake. 4. Versatile in the kitchen. Zucchini is a versatile vegetable that can be used in a wide range of dishes. You can spiralize it into zoodles, zucchini noodles, add it to stir-fries, sauté it with herbs and spices, or even bake it into delicious low-carb muffins and bread. 5. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Zucchini is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. These nutrients are essential for overall health and well-being. 6. Hydration boost. Zucchini has a high water content, which not only keeps you hydrated but also contributes to a refreshing, light taste. It's an excellent choice for hot summer days. 7. Digestive health. The fiber in zucchini supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 8. Antioxidant properties. Zucchini contains antioxidants like vitamin C and carotenoids, which help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support a strong immune system. 9. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in zucchini can contribute to healthy, glowing skin. They may help protect your skin from UV damage and signs of aging. Low-carb vegetable number 5. And last but certainly not least, we have bell peppers. These colorful gems are not just visually appealing, they're also low in carbs and rich in vitamins. Slice them up for a crunchy snack or stuff them with your favorite ingredients for a tasty, low-carb meal. Bell peppers, vibrant and low-carb. 1. Low in carbohydrates. Bell peppers are low in carbohydrates, making them a valuable addition to low-carb and keto diets. A 100-gram serving of bell peppers typically contains around 6 grams of carbohydrates, with a substantial portion being dietary fiber. 2. Rich in dietary fiber. Bell peppers are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and promotes a feeling of fullness. The fiber content helps offset the carb count. 3. High nutritional value. Bell peppers come in various colors, including red, green, yellow, and orange. Each color offers a slightly different nutritional profile, but they are all rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Bell peppers are particularly high in vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, and folate. 4. Antioxidant powerhouses. These colorful vegetables are packed with antioxidants, including carotenoids like beta-carotene and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help protect cells from damage, support eye health, and boost the immune system. 5. Heart health. The fiber and potassium in bell peppers contribute to heart health by helping to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 6. Weight management. Bell peppers are low in calories, which makes them a smart choice for those watching their calorie intake. Their crisp texture and natural sweetness can satisfy cravings for crunchy, satisfying snacks. 7. Supports skin health. The vitamin C in bell peppers promotes healthy skin by aiding collagen production and protecting against skin damage caused by UV rays. 8. Versatile in cooking, bell peppers can be used in a wide variety of dishes. They can be enjoyed raw in salads, sliced into stir-fries, stuffed with various fillings, or grilled for a smoky flavor. 9. Digestive health. The fiber in bell peppers supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. There you have it, folks, our top 5 low-carb vegetables that will elevate your culinary game while keeping your carb count in check. But wait, there's so much more to explore in the world of healthy eating and cooking. So, if you want to join us on this delicious journey, hit that subscribe button right now and become a part of our food-loving community. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Until next time, keep experimenting in the kitchen, stay healthy, and keep those carb levels in check. Happy cooking! Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your friends who are on a low-carb diet. We'll be back with more exciting recipes and food tips soon. Stay hungry for knowledge, and we'll see you in the next video.